Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to BGS Technology English channel's new video. After the long time later, I am making English language video probably 2 weeks and more than time later I am sit before my camera to making videos in English language. So today's video's subject is video editing purpose. So I am thinking that I'm making video about video editing tutorial, how to editing videos, and which video apps is help you to first time to make yourself as a great. It's help you to your skill to make a new video editing tutorial and to know. And the first, what which apps is the very which app is the best for beginner, and just I'm started from which apps and just something better today's video is here. So I have pointed I have noted 7 points to discuss about matter. Just I have 7 points to discuss about this matter. So if I discuss this matter, hopefully you'll be know that what you need to do. You're improving your video editing skill and why you using which apps you're using, blah blah blah. So let's begin today's video. So by the way, before the beginning video, I wanna say you can watch my video just not only English language. You can watch this video Hindi language, Danish or Indonesian language or another language, some of language. So you can watch my videos your own language. Just here some of language just only available. So if you don't know English and if you know Hindi, Indonesian or Danish, French, it will be help you to know this video language. It's I'm not editing. So let's begin today's video. Firstly, guys, what is the video editing? So today, firstly, we're gonna know what is the video editing. Video editing is you made any mistake in your video, or you wanna customize your color, background, or your face smoothness, or everything, and add new something, or add new something, new sticker, new text, or every etc. You can use by video editing. So this is the video editing definition, but I'm not a good to make definition. So just little bit I know that I'm trying to discuss this. So that was video editing. What is the video editing? So hopefully you would know that what is the video editing. Okay, and the second is what can we do by the editing. So what can we do by the video editing? So lots of people and lots of mobile phone user or editor purpose peoples, they just thinking about this matter. So you can make yourself as a freelancer, or you established in a society as a freelancer boy, and you can represent your skills that you have a better experience to editing. And just editing is art, is your skill, your mind drift that your you know that how to editing, and you just not only editing, you can just uh try to exposing your mind, try to exposing your everything. This is I said that video editing or photo editing, it's as a rate it's running. My god. So this is just not only your it's not only your work, it's not only your job, it's a great art. So I am always inspired you to, if you know how to editing videos, you can earn foreigner money from another country. So I inspire you to start. So hopefully you know that what can I do by editing. So hopefully you got answer. So third is for which purpose we edit videos. So here is a lots of purpose. The first purpose is to teach. You can teach other person to how to make video, and second, and you are a tutor that teaching someone to how to make how to editing videos, and you can earn some of money. And then you can edit your videos for your YouTube channels like me, or Facebook pages, or another purpose. It's the second. And third is you can work for any YouTube channels, or someone someone's for you can just only they made video and they will send you this video, and just you can just only edit this video and color grading or etc. You can just made it. Okay. And fourth is you can freelancing with this video, and lots of people just is like third number. So someone give you video footage, and just you can add as videos, or cutting fitting to videos and etc. Just there is a lots of purpose to earning money. Just and you can publish your video YouTube, Facebook, or another social media apps, and you can earn some of revenue. Although YouTube's all of sites earning not halal, and some of haram sites I know. And in the next time I'm gonna try to discuss about this matter, which purpose is halal and which purpose is haram. And the number fourth is can we make money from videos earning, and how? So first question is, how can we make money from videos editing? So you can earn a lots of money from video editing tutor. So you can make video for your YouTube channels as a tutor like me. I am teaching you how to make video, and I'm earning some of views, and lots of people know me that who am I. And you didn't know about myself before watching this video probably. And you know me, my name is Bokther Galib, and I'm a tech YouTuber. I am a land surveyor, and etc. You know that when you watch my videos. So you can get a better purpose for video editing. So I'm inspired you if you know how to editing videos, so you can start how to editing videos. So hopefully you know that what is the can you make money or not. So absolutely I say before previous time that you can earn a lot of money from this purpose. So I inspire you to make start, and you can earn revenue. So it's a so simple way. So in the next time, in the next video, I'm gonna try to show you how to editing videos. And at the last moment I'm saying you that which videos apps I'm using, and which apps I'm try to show you that which apps you use first time for beginner, and it will help you to make so at the last moment. And the fifth number question is, how can I edit video? So how can you edit video? In the next video I'm gonna try to show you part by part how to editing videos. Sorry. So how can you editing videos, and how can you make money? So make money matters. I have already said you how to earn money from video editing purpose. So you can earn a lots of money just if you try. So hopefully you know that what was the fifth number. And the sixth number is, how can I improve my editing skill? So if you wanna improve your editing skill, you have to must be try more and more than try, and try to uh, pub, try to represent your creativity. You have a better creativity, but you don't know. Just you know that I have nothing. I have no creativity. So video editing is your creativity, is your art. So just you try to pleasurely, you try to very concisely to make video, to editing video. And a video editor, they can do anything. So you have not mosquito, it's very disturbing. So by the way, I said a video editor is the greatest person. They can made any purpose related video. So I'm inspired you. You can start right now. So your video editing skills is automatically develop your creativity. How many time, how long time you use your creativity, your thought, your thinking, you can just improving your video editing skill. So you should watch another YouTuber's videos, the how can when they use which music. Music is not every music are not halal in Islam. So if you Islamic minded people, you should be always be careful. So when they using any transaction effect, any effect, any text, texture, or another things, when they using, you should be notice this better. So and this time and the main time you should be applied your videos, and when you need to applying something, applying your purpose. So you should, it's dependent just on yourself. It's your creativity, it's your mind thinking. So you have to work very hard work you have to do. So hopefully you'll be know that you would know that what else, how can you improve your video editing skill. And the seventh is how can I reach my skill that I know how to edit video uh, professionally. Okay, so you know that you have a better skill how to editing videos, but you wanna uh, expose, you wanna reach your skill everyone to everyone. So here is some of purpose. Just you can sometimes you can upload it some of video clips or some of video editing tutorial on Facebook, YouTube, or another social media apps. Which apps is a better response you will get, you will got. Here is a not you just first time is you not thinking, not only earning money. You should just reach your uh, arrival your video editing skill to a new person, that they know, you know, to how to editing video, and they would order, they will send you photos to editing their photos, I mean their videos, and they would pay you some of money. So your purpose is this, they will send you money, they will send you money and photos to editing, you get a better order to editing and everything or anything. So I recommended you to use any social media apps like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, like it, or another. So I have not memorized all a lots of things. So just I'm doing. I'm not a professional. I this is not my profession to make videos. Just it's my hobbies. It's my hobbies. That's why I'm making videos and I'm teaching. And this is I love it. That's why I'm doing it or nothing. So that's why I'm not earning a lot of money from video editing tutorial. So if your purpose is earning money, so you should you can reach your videos with Facebook, YouTube, or other social media apps. So hopefully the seventh question was very improver, I mean very helpful. And the last question was, lots of people has a question, this which apps we wanna try to making video. So professionally, if you wanna make professionally video editing, here is a CapCut, InShot, a KineMaster, VN, or Allied Motion, or etc. So you can use. So in the next video, I'm gonna try to show you that how to editing by using InShot app. So lots of time I have been using InShot for 4 years, from not 4 years, probably 4 or 3 years when I started my video uh, making journey. So it that was 2021's last time. So that's it. So that's why I'm trying to firstly that was in short using to very easy. So next video I'm trying to show you everything how to editing video by using InShot apps. So hopefully, and then another video editing software I am trying to show you, like InShot, CapCut, KineMaster, VN, Allied Motion, or etc. So this video probably I'm not using. This video probably I'm not editing by using InShot app. Hopefully another apps I am using, because I need to show you. So that's it. So it was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, So if you wanna see more exciting video, don't forget to subscribing my channel and follow my another social media apps. And if you wanna what kind of video you wanna know, you wanna watch, so let me know. So this video then already I have passed 15 minutes. So it was today's video. If you like this video, just remember this: do the like, subscribe, comment, and share. What is your opinion? Don't forget to let me share. Let me know. Let me know. So see you in the next video, inshallah. And pray for me. My exam is going on. That's it. And see you in the next video, inshallah, very very soon. So assalamu alaikum.